Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to show you how I got this gorgeous makeup look today by Huda Beauty, the new Nudes palette. And yes, I look a little weird today because I have one eye done and we're gonna finish off the other eye. I just am so excited about this palette and showing it off to you guys. It has so many creamy, delicious, blendable shades. The sparkly shades have like hints of iridescent sparkles in them. Like, what? This palette is so nice. It's good for beginners. It's good for pros. It's so good to have in your kit. So today I'm going to show you guys how I got this look and we're going to finish off this eye. If you want to see how I got this look today, then definitely stay tuned. All right guys, so first up, I'm going to pin back my hair here. I'm gonna take this concealer by Glossier and I'm gonna prep my eyelids and brow bone. Just taking a flat concealer brush like so. Just gonna dip it all in there. And I'm gonna go all over my lid. All the way up to my brow bone. Now I've already done my brows. Now you can do this before you do your full face makeup or after. As long as you set your makeup with a translucent powder, that way any fallout from this palette, you just wipe it off. But honestly, after doing my other eye, I didn't notice any fallout. Now that our eyelids are prepped and set, we are ready to apply some pigment. All right, so I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush. I'm gonna go in with the color Lace and I'm just gonna apply that all over my crease line, just right here. You can see how pigmented the shades are. Like, you don't need to dip your brush in that much. The shades are so nicely pigmented. So I just bring it all the way to the tip of kind of my eyebrow there. And then once I bring it in towards my inner eye as well. Then to deepen up this color, I'm gonna take Spanked and just blend that in. Gonna deepen it up even more with a little bit of Love Bite, focusing more on the outer crease here. Now I'm gonna take a blending brush with absolutely nothing on it and just simply go over it, just so there's no harsh lines or anything like that, which there won't be because, like I said, it just blends in so nicely together. Now I'm gonna take the shade Concealer, which is an actual concealer in this palette, so cool, and just apply that all over the lid here. And this is the base that's going to latch on to the next step, which is sparkly colors. Now I'm gonna take a flat eyeshadow brush. You can see it already has sparkles on it from my other eye. And I'm gonna take the shade Fantasy and I'm gonna apply that all over the lid. You don't even need to wet your brush because the concealer is going to latch on to these sparkles. And there's like no fallout from this palette, which is so nice too. Then I'm gonna grab the shade Daydream and apply that just to the center here for that extra pop of iridescence. Again, grabbing that fluffy brush with nothing on it, just gonna blend over top ever so gently. I'm gonna take a little brush like so. I'm gonna take Crave and I'm just gonna highlight right here on my brow bone. Nice iridescent shade. And I'm gonna do the exact same thing to my inner corner of my eye. Now for my under eyes, I'm gonna take a little brush like so, and I'm gonna grab Lace and just do under my eyes here. Kind of connecting them here. Then I'm gonna grab Spanked and Love Bite and just focus more on the outer side here, just for some depth. To appear more awake, I'm gonna take this Fake Awake waterline eyeliner, and this is in Nude, and it's just gonna apply to my waterline here and just make me look so much more awake. I absolutely love this. For my upper lash line, I'm going to tight line with this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil, and I'm just ever so slightly gonna pull my lid and just press up. I'm gonna take this Stylist Stay All Day eyeliner. This is an intense black, and give myself a wing. Then I'm just gonna curl my lashes. Now I'm just applying some Black Stack mascara, and I'm gonna apply 2 coats of that. To finish off this look, I'm gonna apply some false eyelashes. I love these glueless lashes. They are so nice by Kiss. These go underneath your eyes. These are so much easier to apply than most false eyelashes, so I highly recommend these if you are a beginner to the eyelash game. Ta-da! And then just like that. For the last step, I'm just gonna take whatever was left on that concealer brush and just clean up this angle here, right underneath that wing. And that just makes it look super defined. And that's it for my video today. I really hope you guys had just as much fun as I did. Like I said, this Huda Beauty palette, the new Nudes, oh my goodness, it is great for everybody from beginner to pros. If I can do it, you can do it. I love the purpley pink tones. It's really, really pretty. Great for a night out or even just to the office every day. Just gives it that pop of color, something new than just, you know, your everyday browns and beiges. This is just a really nice pop of a pink color. So I really hope you guys found this tutorial easy to follow along. I will link this palette below in the description. Stay tuned for more videos just like this one. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.